Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to swap the seat cover on the 07 to 13 Chevy Silverado. Alright, you're going to start by taking this 7mm bolt out right here first, and then taking all this apart on along the way. Got the 7mm bolt out. This thing should pop right off like that. This one also. Alright, so I had to use two hands to get this thing off, so I put the phone down, but this thing also pops right off. If not, you could push this plastic back and there's a little clip in here you could take out. And also just basically pop this out. You don't need to unplug that. You kind of leave it like hanging like that. Kind of reach under here. There's gonna be a little tab you slide from underneath the bracket. This tab here. Just do that all the way around it. Front, that side, and the back has some too. Alright, we're on the back side. I pop this out like that. This one too. Just to kind of have it, leave it hanging. And there's a plastic tab underneath here. It's hard to get to, so we're gonna show you when it get done. Alright, so we got that one out. Had to use a screwdriver to kind of pry it out. It's kind of hard to get to. Same thing on the other side. If you have powered seats, it's gonna be really hard to get to. Alright, so we had to lift up the seat, reach under, and get it unstuck right here from the clip. Now, it pretty much pulls out. There's the old one. Alright, so here's a new cushion and seat cover. And we have to assemble it together. First thing you want to do is flip it inside out. So let's get that done. Alright, so we got it flipped inside out. There's these blue tabs right here. That's going to be going in these slots, as you can see. And that's what keeps the leather tight and sucked down to the seat. So what I like to do, I put the tabs in this slide left and right in first. Slide them in and slide them all the way in, and then snap this one in last. Alright, so here it is, we got it together. So what I did was, like I said, I put the first two tabs, I slid in and slid them in. And each tab I clipped in as I went, slid, clip, clip, slid, clip, clip. Hardest one's gonna be the middle one. But if you put enough pressure in the center and also put your hand on the back side, you'll get them clipped in. Alright, so we're gonna get this back in. Basically the same way you took it out, just the opposite way. But you're gonna slide this first. You're gonna loop it around. And on this one, this is an eBay seat cover, so it didn't come with slots for these clips back there. You gotta cut the slots out with a razor. So we're gonna get this back together and show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, as you can tell, came out pretty smooth. Nice, tight. It's not loose anywhere. All that's back in, everything works. If you like more videos like this, like and subscribe, and ring that bell, and you'll see more videos like this.